What's up everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to use the Kanban view on Monday.com. Now Monday.com is a comprehensive and pretty versatile task management and project management tool that you can use to manage all types of projects and tasks for yourself or with your teams with lots of views and layouts. And in this video, I'm going to focus on the Kanban view or the lists view, similar to tools like Trello. Now in Monday.com, you do have workspaces, so you can divide your life into multiple workspaces, like one for your job, one for your personal tasks and stuff like that. And here I'm on the main workspace that is generated by default when I created my account. Creating an account is pretty easy and straightforward. I can continue, or you can continue with the free plan. It has like all the basic tools that you need. And if you decide you want to use the more premium or more advanced tools, you can go ahead and subscribe to a paid plan. Now, in any workspace, you can create a board, or you can create multiple boards. And here I can click on the plus icon to add a board to my workspace. I can create a new board or start from template. Let's create here. This is one that I was trying to create from scratch. And here I have a Kanban view already created, but let me show you how to create it from scratch. Now here it automatically lays out here a main table view, and in this table view I have the tasks right here. So each item is like a task, and here I have a task that is buy milk, which has 3 subtasks. If I expand it here, I have these 3 subtasks, and the statuses, we will focus on the status column right here, since this is the one that the lists in the Kanban view will be generated based on. So here I have like 4 statuses that express the task itself. If I'm working on it, it's done, it's stuck, it's planned. And I can also click on any status to see all the statuses. Here I have new one for new tasks that are not yet into any of these statuses, and I can edit labels to add a new label. Let's add, for example, for this video, let's say creating it, just a random one, and I can pick a color for this specific list or this specific status. Okay, apply. And now we have 6 statuses. That means when you go to the Kanban view, we will have 6 columns. Now let's change the download files. For example, let's make it creating, and this get car washed, let's make it new so that we have one task at all statuses. Now here I have a Kanban view already generated. If I don't have, let's delete it and I'll generate it from scratch. We'll go here in the main table, next to the main table, and click on the plus icon, and then here we have all the views that are available. Click on Kanban. It'll generate a Kanban view based on the list, and here you have 6 lists: working on it, planned, done, stuck, creating it, and new. So you can reorder the lists. I would want the new one to be at first, so that I can add all my new items here before spreading them out. And the way it works is that for each item here, so let's say I would want to move this record the video into the working on it. So let's say I'm starting to work on it. You have 2 ways to move it. The first one is to click on the status icon right here and then click on working on it. Let's undo that. Go to edit the video. Let's click on new, make it moved into the new. And the best way, in my opinion, is to just click and drag the item, and you can reorder the items in each list. So you can prioritize the items or tasks that you want. And here the planned, let's move the planned right here. Done, stuck, creating it. Okay. So this is the order that I want to do. Of course, your order might be different depending on the titles of your lists. Now here I can edit the video. I'm creating it right now. And let's say I've done with it, so move it to done. And the download files task, let's say I'm stuck, the download link doesn't work. So it's in the stuck list right here. And you can add item. Let's say I have a task planned in mind. I can add items directly to the planned. Let's say here buy cookies. It's an urgent task, so it's moved directly or into the planned instead of new. And I can move it. I can add, of course, to any item right here. I can click on it to open the full view. I can assign it to someone, edit the title here, assign it to someone, add a group to it. You have many groups here, but it's for the paid plan. I can edit the status right from within this view. I can add a due date for this specific task as well. And here I can write an update, I can attach files and view the activity log for this specific card or title.